Universal Orlando Resort just dropped some incredible details about its newest theme park, Epic Universe. Universal Monsters is getting its own dedicated land at the newest theme park, Epic Universe, that's opening in 2025. Celebrating 100 years of Universal Monsters, they really aren't pulling any punches with this new themed area. It really seems like they're pushing the limits of being a family-friendly park and also being incredibly spooky. With each land that has been announced with Epic Universe, it seems like they're creating such an experience that it's going to take well more than a day at each land to really appreciate everything it has to offer. Universal has always been known for its incredible makeup design through its history, and now you can become a monster yourself by being made up of your monster of choice. Throughout Dark Universe, we'll be able to interact and take pictures with all the classic monsters. The restaurant Das Steakhouse, completely themed to Dracula and vampires. Well, you'll be able to enjoy a delicious steak. And to be among the most thrilling attractions coming to Epic Universe is Curse of the Werewolf. This spinning coaster has indoor elements with theming and also outdoor thrills. How can you tell Dark Universe stories without the burning windmill, which will periodically burst into flames throughout the day? Inside of the windmill is a cavern where you can hear stories of the legends from survivors that have lived to tell the tale of the Universal Monsters. I am a sucker for using appropriate tech within dark rides, so this is one of the most anticipated rides for me for Epic Universe. Monsters Unchained: The Frankenstein Experiment. Within Frankenstein's manor lives Victoria Frankenstein, the great-great-granddaughter of Henry Frankenstein. Victoria is conducting experiments to bring back the Universal Monsters to control them for herself. But Dracula has other plans. Universal claims this attraction will have pretty much all you can think of as far as ride elements go, and then some. Even mentioned having the monsters breathing on your neck, which actually reminds me of Alien Encounter that was at Magic Kingdom, which was the scariest ride I've ever ridden at the time. I'm a big fan of Halloween Horror Nights, and Universal Monsters continuously has updated houses coming to the worldwide event. Seems like Universal really is playing on the revival of all these Universal monsters, because the creepiness just brings a vibe to Universal that no other theme park has. This whole Dark Universe area really does kind of feel like a Halloween Horror Nights year-round themed area. Honestly, Super Nintendo World and Dark Universe are the two most anticipated themed areas for Epic Universe for me, and seeing all these details and graphics and all this stuff has really got me so hyped for this new theme park. No opening day has been announced, but I can almost guarantee you a year from today, you'll be able to visit Dark Universe for yourself. That is if you can get in the doors. Universal has yet to announce all the details from the Wizarding World area that's coming to Epic Universe, so make sure you like and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any Epic Universe news. I really do appreciate you taking the time out to watch my videos. My name is Ben. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.